You want to track phone calls from your website? In this video, I'm going to show you a better way of conversion tracking so you can track any kind of phone calls from your website and you can see that from your Google Ads dashboard. So let's get started. So guys, let's start by creating our conversion tracking, and we're gonna go to tools and settings. The dashboard may be different because Google Ads has different kind of designs, and anyways you should go to tools and settings and conversions under measurement, and we're going to create our conversion action for phone calls, and specifically for phone calls from websites. New conversion action, and there is a website app phone calls import, and if you're gonna click on phone calls, it's gonna only track phone calls and certain phone calls, but we want to track all kinds of phone calls from the website. That's why we're gonna just click on this option. So if somebody goes to your website and clicks a phone number on your website, we should be able to track that with these options. So you should put your website here and click on scan, and after that add a conversion action manually, and goal action optimization. We're gonna choose a category which is more relevant. More relevant is the contact, and enter conversion name. I'm just gonna say phone number click from website, and use the same value for each conversion. And if somebody calls 2 times, 3 times, this is gonna be counting that. So I'm just gonna click on 1. So if somebody calls 3 times, we're just gonna count them as 1 conversion. And click through conversion window 30 days. How many days is counted? Engaged view conversion window 3 days. View through conversion window 1 day. Attribution data driven. I think data driven is the best one for now. You can choose the last click, but just to get the conversions faster to be shown on your Google Ads dashboard. But data driven is recommended by Google, and your conversions can be shown a little late, but anyways you're gonna be seeing the data anyways on your Google Ads dashboard, so it doesn't matter. But I'm just gonna choose data driven. Enhanced conversion, you can turn on that if you want, so click on done, and after that save and continue. And there are 3 types of conversion action setup is Google Tag, email instructions to your webmaster, and use Google Tag Manager. We're going to be using Google Tag Manager, the third option, and we need to put this conversion ID and conversion label to our Google Tag Manager. So let's go to our Google Tag Manager. Once we've opened our Google Tag Manager, we need to create a conversion action. So if it's your first time opening Google Tag Manager, you need to be installing Google Ads Conversion Linker. This is the one. I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. You just click on this, Google Ads Conversion Linker, and triggering on all pages, and just say here Google Ads Conversion Linker and save. That's it. So once you have installed Google Ads Conversion Linker, then we're gonna add any kind of conversion actions to your Google Tag Manager. So we're gonna create a phone call conversion tracking. Click on Tag Configuration again, Google Ads, and Google Ads Conversion Tracking. And here we need to put our conversion ID and conversion label. So we're gonna copy that from here. Conversion ID, copy, paste here, and conversion label. Copy again and paste here, and put a descriptive name here. So I'd say Google Ads Conversion Tracking phone calls from website. That's it. Then triggering. So click on plus button, trigger configuration, and click on that, and just links, and some links, and click on this option and find click URL. If you cannot find click URL option, you need to be clicking on that, choose built-in variable, and from here you need to be able to find click URL. Once you have clicked that, it should contain the word tell. How do I know that? Because if we go to our website, for example, we are tracking this phone call buttons, this one for example. As you hover over that, you can see the bottom of the page, it says the word tell and the phone number, right? And another one, this is a different phone number. If you hover over that, it shows the same tell and phone number at the bottom of the page. You can see that. So we are tracking those phone button clicks. So this is different number and that one is different number. It doesn't matter if somebody clicks on them, and if somebody clicks on them, for example, if you open that in a new page, that URL includes the word tell and colon. So we are targeting only that URL. If somebody clicks on that URL that includes the word tell and colon, then we're gonna count that action as conversion. So it doesn't matter the phone number, uh, don't have to be the same. On purpose I've done the phone numbers different, so it to show you that the phone number does not make any difference. The thing we are targeting is the word tell here. So whenever somebody clicks on the URL that includes the word tell, we are targeting that action as conversion, and we're going to count them as conversion. So click URL contains tell, and this is going to be counted as triggering action. So we're going to say click on phone number. So whenever somebody clicks on the phone number, that phone number includes the word tell. So we're going to save that. And we have created a triggering action inside this tag configuration. And this is the conversion action name. And we're going to save that. So let's preview our changes. So you're going to put your domain name here, and after that connect. So we have opened a testing page so that we can click, and we need to be able to see that. So click on continue, and from here you can see these are the tags already fired. This is Google Ads conversion linker that I've talked about. This should be already fired. And this is the ones which are not fired, tags not fired, and this is on the tags not fired section. And our Google Ads conversion tracking phone calls from website is not fired yet because we haven't clicked on those phone numbers. And let's go to that testing page. Just make sure this label is different for testing, and this was our original, so we don't have to open that original website because we don't need that. And this is the testing page, and once we click on that, we should be able to see that on the tax fired section. Right now it's not on the tax fired, so let's click on that. Click, and let's see. Google Ads conversion tracking phone calls from website. It is fired and it is counted as a conversion here. So this one is working, and let's check the other one. So we're gonna finish that testing and close this window. Again, create another preview, and domain name, and connect. It has opened another testing page, and we're gonna scroll down and go to the footer section and click on this phone number. If we're gonna click on that, continue, it should be on the tags fired section. The conversion action which we have created, this one should be on the tags fired section. Right now it's tags on the not fired section. So let's go ahead and click on that. Click, and let's see. Now it is tags on the fired section. So the conversion action is working. and we're gonna submit the changes, and you can put any descriptive name here, but you don't have to. Google Ads phone number click from website. So publish the changes. We have published the changes from here, and we can click on done from Google Ads dashboard as well. And the contacts category, we have created that one. We're gonna go to the contacts category, and phone number click from website, it's currently inactive. Once we start receiving clicks on that landing page on that phone number, we're gonna be seeing the active status here, and the numbers can be shown here. So that's how you're gonna create conversion tracking for your phone calls from your website. So it doesn't matter, you can track different phone numbers with the same conversion action, and this conversion tracking setup works for any kind of phone calls from website, and that makes your job a lot easier to track any kind of phone calls from your website. If you guys need any help in running your Google Ads, let me know. You can contact me through my website. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and see you guys in my other videos.